Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I have a new design team project for Country Craft Creations today. For this project, I had the Baby Girl paper from Echo Park. This is the most adorable paper, and I love that it's a baby girl paper that's not pink. I loathe pink. I do not do anything pink. And this is more kind of a peach color to it. It's not like pink, and I absolutely love that. This is a very large album. It is 8x8. It has a 3.5-inch spine. I did it this size because I did this as a baby's first year album. There is a ton of space in here for pictures and other memorabilia and that kind of thing. On the spine here, I've just got some of the chipboard elements from the collection and some of the lace ribbon that Tammy sent because this was just so pretty and I didn't know where else to use it. It was just too pretty to, yeah. The front, this is just the interior piece from an embroidery hoop. So, you know, just the interior piece from an embroidery hoop from Michaels. They're usually, you know, a couple dollars a piece. Flowers out of my stash. I wrapped the hoop with seam binding that was sent with my design team package. And all I did to do this was I just took 1/4-inch score tape and ran it around the inside and the outside and then just wrapped the ribbon around it, and it worked really, really well. Like I said, flowers and whatnot and leaves out of my stash, some more of the seam binding there. And I did that to mirror the little hoop that is on some of the cut-aparts and some of the other little decorative elements with this collection because I just thought it was really cute. So as we get into this, like I said, it is a very, very large album. This will take you 2 full collection kits along with at least 1 of the matching solids paper packs and 2 full packages of the artisan cardstock. So you're running right around, I think I counted 46 sheets of the artisan, of the craft artisan, and then I supplemented that with some of the linen cards artisan just for some photo mats and things in here as well. So this is just one of the cut aparts, and I will have a file that I will share. I did a file in Design Space to do journaling cards because this is one of these things that, you know, some albums I think it really comes in handy, and this is one. So what I did is I did some journaling cards in Design Space, so it will write all of your lines and then cut out your cards. They are 4 1/8 by 3 1/8, 4 1/8 by 4 1/8, 4 1/8 by 6 1/8, and then I think that's it. One of them's landscape, one of them's portrait. So I have used these throughout this album to mat cut aparts, so you could write some additional stuff on the back. So that's just the new arrival card, so you can put name, date, etc. And that's just going to tuck in right there. This opens up, and then I've actually got a double pocket here. Let me stand this up so you can kind of see. Not expandable necessarily, but just kind of, you know, you got 2 distinct spaces in here. Both of them are about 1/8 of an inch deep that you can put other pictures or copies of the announcements or that kind of thing in. So here there is an entire sheet of cut aparts in this that are 3x3 in this collection that have all of the months, and I have used those throughout the book for each month. Each page section is 1 month. So I've got a magnet in here to hold this closed. We've got just a very small waterfall that apparently my glue got stuck right there. Over here we've got some tags in some stacked pockets over on this side, and I just cut those with the tag punch board from We Are Memory Keepers that I've had for a while. And so we've got a couple of sets of tags in there that you could journal on. You could attach pictures. Here's some more of my journaling spots on the back of some of the cut aparts. So then you've just got a nice good sized pocket in there. You can mount a picture up here. You could put something small here. Lots of places to put pictures. You could put something over here. All of these, the pages on the top are open. You could add inserts on this if you wanted to. I did not add inserts, but you could if you wanted to at another point. So we've got, for month 2, we've got some 4x6 photo mats that flip out, and then a big 5x7 inside. Of course, you can tuck more pictures and things in here. You can put pictures, of course, on both sides of all of these photo mats here, and then that just ties closed with the seam binding. For month 3, we have a little accordion that's going to come out this way, and of course goes the other way as well, and then there is a small pocket in the back there to put some more pictures and things in. And I am bow challenged, as you all probably well know, and this is why I don't use much ribbon on my projects. Oh my gosh, okay. And then for 4 months, we've got a flap and another flap and another flap, and then stacked pockets. So we've got our journaling on the back of that one. We've got our journaling here, and this one just tucks down in front to hold all of that closed. These 4 pages then repeat again. So again, for 5 months, you've got your tags with your stacked pockets, your big pocket, your waterfall here with your magnet. You've got your 4x6s that all flip open. I cannot talk today. Every which way. And you can change how you put these on here. You could line these up, you know, put them in the middle of the page. You could, any way you really wanted to do that. I just like how that looks with it going that way. For 7 months, again, we have our accordion with our little pocket back behind. I do have a cutting guide with this that I will link with the tutorial. I will be editing the tutorial tonight and getting that up. It probably will not get loaded until tomorrow because I've not had good luck lately with getting my tutorials to upload overnight and not airing out on me. Don't know why, I just have had a problem lately. And then here we are, we're repeating one more time. But on the cutting guide, what you'll get is all of the measurements to cut one page. You will cut each set of those measurements 3 times, one for each time it repeats in the book. We've got another little flip here. Got another accordion here, and you of course can change up the order that these pages go in the book. It's entirely up to you. I did it this way just because this was the simplest way to do it and keep it, you know, not super confusing. So there's that, and then one more with our flaps. And this paper is so cute. I love this one. And the butterflies. The butterflies are just adorable. And then on the back, we've just got a very simple big pocket on the back. And some more of our cut-aparts with our journaling lines on the back. And that's it. There you go. I will get the tutorial edited and posted as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. I will leave a link in the description to the paper for this project and for the cut list, so you can at least be ready when the tutorial is posted, so you'll be ready to go. Thanks for watching. Bye.